Good morning from a very, very sunny, hot Green Island Gardens. This morning I wanted to show you this lovely plant which comes from Australia. Commonly known as the bottlebrush plant, its real name is Callistemon, and you can see it gets its name from these lovely furry bottlebrush-like flowers. Most people grow this plant as a freestanding specimen where it can grow to a nice arching shrub. But I just wanted to show you this one here, which I've actually trained to grow as a wall shrub. Now I do this with a lot of plants because we have a bungalow here. We have a lot of low walls to cover. People would traditionally go for the climbers section. And actually, if you plant a climber, what you end up with is a lot of bare, woody, twiggy growth at the bottom, and the climber reaching to the top of the fence and often going over the other side. So instead, I like to train a lot of wall shrubs. Well, I call them wall shrubs, they're shrubs, but I've trained this one specifically to grow horizontally against this wall. So you can see it was planted down here probably about 10 years ago. And then all the growths as they come up, they've just been trained laterally and held against the wall like this. This one is actually on a north-facing wall, so you wouldn't think it was the ideal spot for these because they do prefer a sunny site. But again, I just wanted to demonstrate that you don't have to stick to the rules that come on the labels. It's worth trying things in other locations. And this one, you can see, even though it's on a north-facing spot, it's still flowering absolutely beautifully. All I do to it after it's flowered, any forward-facing branches, I just come along with the secateurs and snip them off, anything I don't want, and tie in the other branches against the trellis or the wall. So there we are. Think about growing shrubs against your walls and fences instead of necessarily always going for a climber. I forgot to mention also, this is not the only colour that we do. Here at Green Island we've got pink bottle brushes, we've got yellow ones, all sorts of different colours, so you needn't just be restricted to the red one. Search out the other varieties as well.